following receipt of a petition from a law firm on the activities of some hoodlums armed with guns and other dangerous weapons who were in the habit of constantly and repeatedly terrorizing members of Nembe Basandure community in Bayelsa State, and coupled with other similar complaints and intelligence in that region, operatives of the police strike force were deployed to the area for a combined operation to rid the community of the activities of armed hoodlums. Consequently, the operatives swung into action and raided the camps of the hoodlums in and around the Nembe Basandure community on the eve of Saturday, 12th of August 2023. The operation led to the arrest of 8 suspects, including Gift Vanman, Daniel Solomon, Ismail Technicio, aka Moore, Rufus Itario, Joel Jubilee, Silvanus Alatari, Sompre Solomon, and Ayabanete Talbot. Items recovered include 3 AK-47 rifles, 2 pump-action guns, 1 LAR rifle, 1 jackknife, 1 Jagger, magazines, and 104 rounds of live ammunition of various calibers, 2 POS machines, 10 ATM cards, and 1 rechargeable bulb. The police wish to state in clear terms that the operation was carried out by a combined team of police operatives to sanitize the community, and the officers were professional, neutral, and active in the mission to liberate members of the said community from the terror instilled by the nefarious activities of the armed hoodlums, as the force will not allow lawlessness or gross violations of the laws in any part of the country. This, however, is contrary to the destructive narrative in the news making the rounds that the community was attacked by hoodlums dressed in police uniforms. The distorted news is clearly the handiwork of mischief makers, and they are hereby warned against such calculated attempts to destabilize the country. It is also pertinent to send out a warning to all the recalcitrant members of the society whose stock in trade is instilling fear into law-abiding members of the public and fomenting troubles across the country to desist from such, as the police will leave no stone unturned in the bid to rid our societies of legalism, terrorism, and gross violation of extant laws. The Nigerian Police Force thereby assures Nigerians of the unwavering commitment of the Nigerian Police Force to attend to security issues affecting them by acting promptly on intelligence to curb such acts in any part of the country. Similarly, the police assure the confidentiality of reliable informants while urging members of the public to partner with the police and other security agencies with prompt and actionable intelligence on the activities of members of the underworld and criminally minded individuals who foment troubles, commit crimes, and cause instability in any part of the country. The Nigerian Police Force reiterates that the operation in Nembe is a signal to other hoodlums with similar intent of causing fear amongst the people with the activities across the country to turn a new leaf or be assured that the long and unbiased arm of the law will catch up with them in no distant time. These suspects, however, will be charged to court upon the conclusion of our investigations. And the message is clear enough that we will not, in any way, tolerate any acts of legalism, terrorism, vandalism, or any criminal acts in any part of the country. We want to assure Nigerians once again that our efforts our responsibility as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to make sure that we dismiss activities of non-state actors or criminally minded individuals who may want to jeopardize our internal security mechanisms across the country. Thank you.